dice. Run with scissors through a chip and firefight. Go into business with a grizzly bear. But just don't sit down, 'cause I moved your chair. Hey! Find a well-known man and start a fight. Wear your shell suits on bonfire night. Fill in a circular hole with a peg that's square. Well, just don't sit down, 'cause I moved your chair. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. By the lightning and tell me how it tastes. Fucking kung fu fighting on your roller skates. Do the Macarena in the devil's land. But just don't you sit down, 'cause I moved your chair.